So, hey guys, I just think this is my last video, and tagnan, you probably heard this YouTuber named Star Parami. I think it has 128 subscribers. That was me. That is actually me. Yes. And I can't. Eh, if you watch, try to search it up in YouTube. But I think yun I think Star Parami, I mean me, I when I was in YouTube, I was just watching, and suddenly my account in Google deleted. So my account in YouTube, the Star Parami, it it was deleted too. I was very sad that time because I gained 100 followers, I mean subscribers. I was very 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 sad. And in TikTok, I have this one account named Kiyomi Aki. I was banned because of my age restriction, and um, I had 238 followers, I think, and 300 likes. I was very sad that time when I lost my TikTok account and my YouTube account. I cried for only one day. I no. I wanted to cry, but I decided to make this YouTube channel. But it's not going that well. So, if you please, subscribe. I'm not forcing you. Please, just please.